Hello, graders. Hello, instructors. Hello, everyone. My name is Philip Sunday Akonde, and today I'm working on project 3.7 Prove Promoting your Windows Server VM to a domain controller. Yes, this is what I will be doing today. Yeah, I've done this several times before on my local VM, but I've not done it on AWX. So today I'll be doing something like that. I don't think it's going to take me um, time, but this is the second time I'm trying to, log into the using my remote connection to log in into my VM. So maybe could be network issues and all of that. So let me just try it now, and I believe it's going to work. So all right, first and foremost, here is my remote desktop connection. So okay, all right. I'm going to copy. Yeah, it's in somewhere. Yeah. Let me copy. All right, here's my password. Desktop. Okay. Okay. All right, I went through this time around. Okay. All right. I need to give it some time to finalize or initialize. All right. Here is my server. So I think it's still coming up. Let me give it some time. All right. So here now, I'll need to search server manager. So server manager. All right, here we are. So what I need to do now is to check if active domain directory service is installed. If not, I will need to do that. All right, let me check here. I don't think it's installed here. I am not seeing it. Okay, let me add it. So I come here to add, or I can do same via here. Is it that I come here to add, or I can do same via here? All right, let me use here. All right, we click next. Sorry, messages are popping in through my WhatsApp. All right, I click install back. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to use role-based or feature-based installation. This is what I want. I click next. Then this is Microsoft Windows Server 2025 Data Center is what I'll be using. So select server from the server pool. So I'm good to go. Server selection. Let's go. So let's wait for it. Selecting destination server. It could take some time, some minutes. So let's be patient for it to select the destination server. It's still ongoing. All right, this is done. So what we are interested in here is Active Directory Domain Services. So I'll click it. All right, and it says add features that are required to Active Directory domain services. Yes, said you cannot install Active Directory domain services unless the following role services or features are also installed. So these things now, these ones now will also be installed together with it. So I will say add features. All right, and I'll click next. So the features here, I'll click next. Yes, I'll click next. I'll click install. So at this point, it's going to take several minutes to install. It depends on the network and also the system configuration. So let's be patient for the installation. All right, here we are. It's done. Promotes. So we now have a dialog box that says promote this server to a domain controller. All right, I'll click on this. I'm going to choose add a forest. Add a forest. I'm going to choose add a forest. Also, the roots domain name will be enzyme dot corp. All right, so you can see, so we click next. We're adding a new forest. So, and then I'll get a new password. My password. All right. Here's my password. I'll repeat the same password here. I must not forget a password. Yes, I think the password aligns. So forest functional level is this. Domain functional level is this. We can as well change it to whichever one if we have another. So we can change it to 2016, but 2025 is good to go. All right. So yeah. Oh, next one. Click. So though a pop-up message we usually appear here, so nothing spoils. So we keep going. Domain name options. Next, going to initialize, adding additional options. So let's wait for it. All right, so you can see NetBIOS domain name is enzyme. Click next. All right, here we can actually choose where we can store it, but for me I don't need to change the location, so I think I'm good with this. So click next. So these are all the review, these are all the configurations so far. So it also has a script. If you want to view the script, you can come in here to view the scripts. All right, here are the scripts. So check it out to view the scripts. All right, close the script because I'm not interested in it. Next. All right, we also pop up a a message in this form, but we are good to go. Is doing a prerequisite check. Is doing a prerequisite check. All right, here we have this. So look at what it says. The prerequisites check completed. All prerequisite checks passed successfully. Click install to begin installation. So we are good to go. Voila. So it's installing. So it's just giving me information, detailed information about it. So this computer has at least one physical network adapter. It's true. A delegate for the domain name server is true. Delegation for the domain server is true. So we are waiting for the installation to complete. Your computer is being restarted because Active Directory domain service was installed or removed. So let's wait to restart. Okay, yeah, here we have restarting. All right, right, you are restarting, you are restarting. Think you're good to go. Let's wait for the server to restart. Okay, the session ended. Let's go back to it. Let's connect again. All right, let me get my password again. Why the login attempt field? What is it? All right, I think my server is up. So it's saying wait for the group policy clients. All right, all right, all right, all right. We're still waiting for the net to reload, server to reload. Waiting for the server to reload it. Okay, it has loaded successfully. All right, for us to be sure, so for us to be sure that we are logged in as a domain administrator, I will be using a CLI. Let's do that by using CMD. All right, and then I'll be typing the command who am I? Who am I? Who am I? So you can see I am logging as a domain administrator. So I'm happy to have walked us through the process of promoting my Windows Server VM to a domain controller. Thank you and God bless you.